Let's see this important problem asked in the year 1992 for 4 marks. The problem is sketch the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Find its area. Simply you have to sketch the curves, find the points of intersection and find the area of the required region. So how to do it? First of all, let me draw the curves. How would the curves look like? This is y axis and this is your x axis. Now this should be x dash, this should be x. Now what to do? I have to see that this is your origin. Y is equal to x square would be something like this. So this is your y is equal to x square curve and y is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is a very important factor that you have to keep in your mind. When you plot the values, when you put the values, the graph would be a bell-shaped graph and the bell-shaped graph would come something like this. Let me make it more clear since I have not extended it, so it is not coming to be accurate. So this is a kind of a curve which will be obtained, which would be symmetric to your y-axis. It would be symmetric to your y-axis and the x-axis would be its asymptote. So this is very important that this is the curve. The other thing, what are the points of intersection? So the points of intersection for y is equal to x square and this curve would be something like these. These are A and B. These should be the points of intersection. Now, as you can see that there are 2 points of intersection which we need to find out. So let me write here as solution and my points of intersection would be obtained as when I have y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. So what I do is I simply find out the values of y and I need to know that x square is y, so directly I can put here, so it is y upon 2 1 plus y. So from 1 and 2 I can say like that. Let me cross multiply. Y plus y square is equal to 2 or y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let me see what should be the answer. Y square plus 2y minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y into y plus 2 minus 1 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. What are the values of y that you get? So either y is 1 or y is minus 2. So these are the 2 values that you obtained. So see, y is there and it is 1. Fine. So see that you have the positive side here. So y is 1. Now what should be done? Now I need to find out x square and see that what is x. So see, y is equal to x square from 1, right? So that means 1 is equal to x square. So x is equal to plus minus 1. If I take y is equal to minus 2 here, can a square number be negative? No. That is why I rejected this. So this should be 1 comma 1 and this point should be minus 1 comma 1. Fine. Now I have to find out the required area. Required area would be this area which is shaded area, and this shaded area can be very easily obtained. I darken this y-axis. See how to get the shaded area. Since the curves are symmetric there about the y-axis, if I find out OBD and multiply it by 2, I get the required area. So required area is what? After this step I am going here so that you know I am not drawing it like this, but I am telling you. So the required area is equal to twice of area OBD. So it is 2 times OBD. How to obtain OBD? 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. y2 minus y1, the upper one is y2. So 2 upon 1 plus x square minus y1 is x square dx. What should be the answer? Simply what I can do is I can find out the answer here itself. So I write 2 multiply by 2 tan inverse x minus x cube by 3, right? And I can make this till here so as to make you understand, and you have to put the limit 0 to 1. I hope this has been written. So I erase this and let me move further to the further part of the solution. It becomes 2 multiplied by 2. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Put this limit 0. 0 does not give me anything. Then minus 1 by 3. Again you put 0, does not give me anything. So what should be the answer? It should be 2 2 is 4, which is making it pi minus 2 by 3 square units. So the answer should be pi minus 2 by 3 square units. How did we do the question? We simply plotted the graph, found out the points of intersection and did the required integration.